Welcome to your breast pump guide. Today, you'll learn simple steps to express milk safely and comfortably.
Always begin with clean hands and sterilized pump parts to help protect your baby's health. Assemble the pump according to the manufacturer's instructions before every pumping session. Sit comfortably, relax your shoulders, and take slow, deep breaths before you begin. A gentle breast massage before pumping may help encourage milk flow. Center the flange over your nipple for comfort and an effective pumping session. Begin with a gentle suction setting, increasing only to a comfortable level. Every mother is different. Milk flow may increase gradually, with patience and regular pumping. Store expressed milk in clean containers. Clearly label each one with the date. Wash all pump parts after each use, and allow them to dry completely. Your expressed milk provides valuable nutrition, whether feeding directly or from a bottle.